No, that was not. I just watched a tutorial on Groovy Roller Skates YouTube channel, and I am mind blown because I have never seen it before, and it has some really great tips on how to do toe spins. So I'm gonna take a few tips, steal a couple of tips I learned over there, and share it with you. Also, go check that channel out because it's awesome. So one thing that they suggested is to, in order to get into the toe spin, to start with a dribble. Start with this motion. And then once you're on your toes already, that's when you can start to push off into the toe spin. So I'll try. Woo. See, I'm still learning the spin. But the other thing is that they said to practice this motion on your toes, which I can still barely do, but I'm working on it. So what they said in the video is to do this motion while you are in the spin. That I'm still trying to wrap my head around, but I think that it will really help once I get the hang of it and once I get better at balancing on my toes. So now I'm gonna try to go from the dribble to toe spins doing this motion in the spin. So let's see what happens. I keep putting down my right heel. I'll try again. Gotta commit. That's the one thing with skate dancing, with jam skating, you have to really commit to the move or else you're out of luck. All right, I'm gonna try again. Do it. Kinda. I'm gonna push off on my toe and spin to the left. Yo, my heart's beating so fast. I need to take a break. I'm so excited because I am getting new wheels. Right now I have Radar Energy, which are amazing for the trails, but for a rink, they're very soft, they're very gummy. So I don't remember the hardness of the new wheels, but they're called Fun Day wheels, and they're the blue ones. And I'm really excited because I think I'm gonna be able to do some dance moves with more ease, because the harder the wheel, the faster you can move and spin. Yeah, that right foot is just not wanting to stay on the toe. I'm gonna try to focus on keeping my body a straight line. Everything is moving at the same time. If I move my shoulders, my hips have to go at the same time. It's not hips following shoulders. It's all at once. I think that's what's tripping me up. So I'm gonna keep my core tight. Let's do it. Let's do it. It's gonna be good this time. I know it is. I think that was the best one yet. Only thing is, as I am doing this motion on my toes, my right heel sometimes clicks the ground. I'm not sure why it's doing that. I think what I need to do is more practice with toe manuals. So just more practice staying on my toes like this. Ugh. And then maybe pivoting. Oh. I feel like I kind of did it. Yeah, I think that was the smoothest one yet, so I'm gonna wrap it up here. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for a more in-depth tutorial, and hopefully by then I'll also be better at the toe spins. Catch you later.